Hello and welcome to all the traders and investors from Trading Guru team. Today is 23rd of March and we are here for a trade setup for the day wherein we will discuss Nifty, Banknifty, global markets and the 5 picks that can actually help you make good intraday trades today. So without wasting much of a time, do subscribe to our channel and here we go. Okay, so this is how SGX Nifty has performed. If you see, it is about around flat. It's trading flat. It's at 14,856 was the level wherein it had closed as on the charts yesterday, and today if you see, it is at 14,846. So looks like a flat opening on SGX Nifty, and Banknifty would follow the same. If you look into the US markets, you see that there was a drop and then it has picked up at this level, this particular level on the opening, and from the opening part it has moved about 130 odd points. So it is a positive right there. Let's see how other things are shaping up. Talking about the Asian markets, you can see flat to a little bearish openings on all the markets just on your screen. So I think it is going to be one of those days wherein you will not see major moves, but if you see something positive happening, then you can actually see the Indian markets going on the upside. If you talk about global markets, again similar thing, flat to a little bearish, but no signs of bigger worries, which can be a positive for us today. Talking about levels for today, if you see Nifty Bank, it has closed at about 33,603 and Nifty had closed at 14,736. So we see that Nifty has a strong support at 14,634 and then 14,533. If you see these levels, you can easily want to go ahead and get into a buy side trade, looking into the other aspects. If you see at the resistance level, 14,800 and 14,865. So two resistance levels which can actually play a very important role today. Bank Nifty, if you see, the support level is 33,112. Again, the second support level is 32,680. Resistance levels 34,154, 34,568. So I'm very positive about Bank Nifty showing some positive moves today. And if you see yesterday, all sectors were doing great, but Nifty Bank had pulled the overall Nifty 50 index, and that is the reason why it was not able to go ahead and close in positive. So we can see some good moves right now. Even if you check on the open interest, the higher open interest build-up has happened on 15,500 and not on 15,000, wherein on the lower side it has happened at 14,500 and not at 14,000. That means a lot of people are bullish that we can see some positive moves in the coming 3 trading sessions. Talking about our intraday picks, number 1 on the list is HDFC Bank. If you see, the stock has fallen from a bigger margin. I think it was at 1580, and from there it has fallen down till 1474. I see that the stock is going to show major recovery since the results of quarter 4 will be coming in this month of April. So it is going to go on the upside, and today if you see, I'll just look it to go ahead and cross this green line, which is the 15 period moving average. Once it crosses that on 15 minutes, I can go on a buy side trade and target about 0.70% on whatever is its cost. The stop loss is again going to be same 0.70% from their side. So a risk reward ratio of 1:1. So that's the first stock. The second stock is going to be Bharti Airtel, one of the good stocks that has actually shown positives yesterday by holding up. So we see that there will be good buying coming in at 530 I would go ahead and target about 0.5 on the charts, and the stop loss is going to be 0.5 as well. Talking about the third pick for the day on intraday, it's Wipro. If you see, a lot of IT stocks have done amazing. Wipro has not done that great in the last 2-3 trading sessions when it comes to profit booking or even short coverings. So today we see Wipro having its day, and it has already crossed the 15 and 50 moving average, and we see it being bullish above 418 levels. I would go ahead and target 425. That's about 1%, and a stop loss of 1% from there. So these are the three stocks which you can consider getting into a trade for the day. And that's it from our side. Do subscribe to our channel and motivate us. Share it with your friends. I'm sure that you're going to have an amazing day of trading. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.